Hello everyone. I am Devesh Rajadhyax, founder of Cere Labs and author of the book Decoding GPT. Today I want to talk about how people are using AI for something very interesting. We have all engaged in self-study at some point in our life. It can be for personal growth or for career advancement. It can be to boost academic performance or even to solve real life problems. Till recently, self study was not easy. How will we find the right resources? How will we structure our learning? And how do we know whether we are going in the right direction? These were only some of the difficulties. But now, AI has changed this in a big way. It has given us simple tools like ChatGPT, NotebookLM, and Perplexity. These tools are easy to use, readily available, and inexpensive. And AI helps us throughout our learning journey. It assists to decide what to learn, to create a learning plan according to our time, and even generates quizzes to check our progress. I now want to talk about the three types of self study that we commonly see. We will also discuss how AI helps with each of these. The first type of self study is quick learning for a specific purpose. This is generally to solve some problems. Imagine that you want to buy some land, construct a building, and lease it out. Of course, there will be consultants to help you through this process, but you yourself want to understand the laws, the regulations, and the process. You can design using AI a 10-hour course that you can complete maybe in a week. That way, you will be able to ask the right questions to the parties and take confident decisions. The second type of self study is long term planned learning. This is generally for career growth or for academic performance. It takes longer, a few months, or maybe even more. As an example, consider a mechanical engineer who is working in the industry. She realizes that simulation tools have become a big part of her job, but it was never covered in her college education. So she uses ChatGPT and NotebookLM to create a syllabus. She then creates a learning plan that requires her to work 2 hours every day for the next 6 months. AI identifies the right resources such as videos, introductory books, and even some important papers. It further helps her by creating easy to read versions of the papers and transcriptions of the videos. After 6 months, she gains a working knowledge of the simulation tools, which opens new career opportunities for her. The third and the last type of self study is incremental learning. So, this is when you already know the subject but want to refresh the knowledge for some purpose. A common example is preparing for an interview. In this case, AI helps us by generating questions, conducting mock sessions, and grading your responses. Let me now share two case studies that I have come across. The first one is of Varad, my nephew. He is studying for his data science degree. He wants to secure an internship in a good company which will strengthen his profile and gain valuable experience. He collected a number of internship postings and analyzed them using Perplexity. He then asked Perplexity uh, to list the most in demand skills and also to create a plan to learn the skills over the next year. He is specifically asked to identify online courses wherever available. He is working on his plan, although sometimes he falls behind. He then goes back to the AI tool, updates his progress, and gets his timetable readjusted. The second case study is of my friend Ram, who is a trained Hindustani classical